Okay, so we are going to do our number talk where I'll give you a problem and then you will solve the problem in your head. And then once you get the answer, what is our signal? What do we do when we're thinking?
Thumbs up.
Yep, thumbs up when we got it, and then thumbs down when we're thinking, okay? Yep, yep, and then we got to make sure that we're being quiet for our friends that are still thinking because we don't want to interrupt anybody, right? We want to make sure everybody has enough time to figure out what their answer is, okay? Okay, all right, so we're going to start with our first problem. I'm gonna write it in red so maybe it'll be easier for you to see. Okay, can everybody see that? So when you got the answer, put the thumb up. All right, what's your answer?
5.
Okay.
3. 6. 5.
Okay, so can you tell me, let's see, Malachi, tell me how you got 3.
I saw 2, added 2, added, and this is 3.
Okay, so if we have the 3 and we have to add the 2 together, so let's write that out. So let's start with 3. What number comes after 3?
2. 4.
Then what?
5.
5. Okay, so how many spots did we jump? We went from 3 to 4 to 5. So that's 1, 2. So that makes
5.
5. Everybody see how we got that? How we figured that out? Okay.
But it's 5 if you add 2 and 3 together, it mixes up to be 5.
Yeah. And what's another way we could have done that problem? Let's think, how many fingers do we have on one hand?
5.
5. Okay, so let's think about that for a second. So if we got 5 fingers and then you want to figure out 3. So let's put down how many to get 3 fingers. How many we're going to put down?
3.
All right, so we're going to put down these 2 and then we got to figure out, we want to get back to 5. So that's 1, 2.
2.
So that's another way that we could use it to figure it out, okay? So that's another strategy. All right, let's do our next problem. Okay, all right, it's this one right here. Let me fix this 2 for you.
4 and 2. Wait.
There we go, yep.
I know it.
Okay, got it? Malachi, you see it? Didn't you see it? Okay, remember our signal. Once you got it, put your thumb up. All right, let's see, what you got?
6.
Okay. Malachi?
3.
You said 3? 3? 2, okay. London?
6. 6.
All right, so can one of our friends tell Malachi how you came up with 6? Let's let London go. London, how'd you come up with 6?
Okay.
Okay, so you started with 5 and you added 1 more and you got 6, okay? Did you see that, Malachi? Do you understand how she did that?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else solve it a different way? Okay, what did you do?
So I put 4 and then you put 2, which is 5 and 6, and then our whole is 6.
Okay, and so you counted 4,
Yeah.
5, 6. And then you knew you had to go up 2, so that's 1, 2 spots, and you got your 6. Malachi, do you understand how she figured that one out? Okay, did you do yours any different?
So I went to 1 to 6 because if you just mix up 3 and then 4
Okay.
and 2, you put and 1, you take away the other 1, and then you have 6.
Gotcha. So you started with 3, and then you knew that 3 plus 3 is 6. So you started with 3, and then you added your other 1 from your 4 to that to make it 3 plus 3, and then you knew that 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right, that's a really good way. Good job. All right, let's do our last one.
I knew that way. I just tried to know a different way. So
Yeah, that's good to do that. Okay.
That's the last one.
All right.
I started at 7 and then I took away the other one.
That's another one. You counted backwards to get to it. That's a really good one too. All right. Okay. Can everybody see that?
Yes.
All right. Remember our signals.
7 and 3. Oh, I know.
Okay. All right. I see thumbs up. All right. Let's start with Malachi this time. What number did you come up with?
8.
You came up with 8. Okay. London.
8.
Okay.
10.
10.
Oh. 10.
10. Okay.
No.
All right. Tell me how you came up with 10.
It's because 3 and I mean 7 and 3 so I started at a 4 to make it 11, and then I took away 1 and then I blended it up to 10.
Gotcha. Okay, so we started with 4. So he took 1 from the 7 and added it to the 3 to start with 4. And then he knew that you had 2 left over, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then you made that 7. So that turned to an 8, and then 9, 10.
Yeah.
All right.
And I took a 1 away from the 11, so it made 10.
So it makes 10. Okay, perfect. All right. Can you tell me how you got to 10?
So, like, once you get to 7 and 3, then you count, and then you get to 10 or 7 and 3.
So you used your fingers to count it. So let's draw our fingers. So I'm gonna turn it this way so my hand won't look too, and a thumb. Alrighty. So there, my hand looks like a mitt, don't it? Okay. So we used our fingers. So you knew you were at 7. So you said 8, 9, 10. Because you knew you had to count 1, 2, 3 fingers, right?
Yeah.
So that's how we did that one. Okay, London, can you tell me how you got to 8?
Because 7 goes after 8, and then I got to 8.
Okay, so you started with 7. You knew the next number is 8, right? All right, so let's draw something out. I'm going to show you an example. Okay, so we know our problem is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And we need to add how many to that 7?
3.
3, okay. So London, if we do one more, count our circles. Do we have enough?
No.
No. How many more do we need to add?
2.
1, 2. Because we have 7 and we need to add how many more? 3 more, right? All right, so now let's count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10.
It's 10 because we had to add 3 more to our 7. If we just added 1 more, we were still going to be missing those 2. Okay? Does that make sense, Malachi?
Yeah.
You understand that? All right. So would you say remember we did the 2 plus 4? Would you say that 2 plus 4, let me fix my 2. Would you say that 2 plus 4 and 4 plus 2 are the same thing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Just because we turned the numbers around, do you think we're going to get the same answer?
Yeah.
Okay, because 2 plus 4 is
6.
6, okay. But if we say 4 plus 2, are we still going to get the same 6?
Yes.
Just turning it around, right? Perfect.
Another one after this.
Yeah, we can do some more. So what, out of all the strategies that we used today, which ones did we use today? We did our
Hands.
fingers. Did we draw something? London, did we draw something? What did we draw?
Draw the hand.
Yep, we drew the hand. Malachi, what else did we draw? What else did we draw? Didn't we do something else? Did we do...
Yeah, the circle.
Yep, we did the circles. What else did we do to solve the problems?
Counting.
We counted. Did we count forward or did we count backwards?
We could count backwards and forward.
We did. We did both of them. We counted backwards because we grouped some numbers to find it like you did with the 7 plus 3. So we counted backwards and we counted forwards. So what does that tell us about numbers are solving problems? Does that mean we only have one way that we can solve a problem?
No. We have tons of ways.
We have tons of ways that we can solve a problem that makes sense to us, okay? So whenever you have a problem, you've got different strategies that we can use to try to solve them, okay? All right, anybody got any questions? All right, you guys did really good today with counting. Really, really good. All right.